Hey guys, it's Jenny Silver with California Golden State Stimulus Update for you. We are entering into the last week of Golden State stimulus payouts. The California Franchise Tax Board states that their last round of payments by check will be dispersed up until January 11th. Now, they do also mention that you are to allow several weeks after that mail date in order to actually receive your check. Now, many of you may need to call into the Franchise Tax Board in order to check on those missing payment statuses. The California Franchise Tax Board is the division that you will need to contact regarding questions or problems with your Golden State stimulus. Now, unfortunately, the California Franchise Tax Board can be quite difficult to get a hold of, and their phone line is almost as bad as the California EDDs. Many of you may be familiar with a company called Claimer that has helped my subscribers to get through the busy phone lines over at the California EDD unemployment line. While Claimer has now expanded and is now also servicing the California Franchise Tax Board, now, if you're someone that wants to get through quickly and you don't want to spend the entire day on hold, this service has worked very well for many of my subscribers with the California EDDs. This is a paid service, but you will receive $5 off by using my affiliate link down in the video description. For those of you who do not want to use this service and also cannot get through to the California Franchise Tax Board, I do recommend contacting your assembly member in order to try to get additional assistance. The link to contact your assembly member is also in the video description. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you are expecting to receive this. Have you already received it, or are you still waiting?